This video consists of installation details and precautions. At purlin installation, before installing purlin, check the support position to ensure smoothness. Then check the send-outward purlin one by one to see if it is flat. It is recommended that the purlin spacing should not be greater than 66 centimeters. It should be noted that when installing purlins, keep the height difference between adjacent purlins within 5 millimeters. Placement of line. Place the laser on the control point. The laser red dot points to the top of the load-bearing column. According to the position of the laser dot to release the line. 3. Installation of corner deflector. The corner deflector is installed at the edge or corner of the roof. Help rainwater to flow smoothly to the gutter or drainage system. 4. Install the main tile. When the main tile is installed, the wave valley laps to form a continuous waveform, which is conducive to drainage. Stable construction from one side to the other should ensure that the construction line of the respective slope is vertical. Avoid tilting. B. Nailing and drilling. Nailing needs to use dovetail screws pre-opened holes. Hole diameter greater than 50% at the diameter of the screw. Nailing should not be too tight, easy to cause stress cracking. Not too loose, easy to cause water seepage and leakage. VI. Installation of ridge, sloping ridge tile. When installing ridge tile, the angle of the ridge tile is recommended to be 125 or 135. Both ridge tile and ridge tile have joints, just overlap them in turn. Align the center line with the sloping edge. Fix the protruding part with special parts. Cut off the excess at the end. 7. Installation of T-fittings. The T is installed at the apex of the intersection of the three sides. When installing the T-ridge tile, one side is overlapped on the top of the ridge tile, and the other two sides are overlapped on the top of the diagonal ridge tile. The other two sides are connected above the oblique ridge tile. 8. Installation of beveled ridge head. Place the beveled ridge tile header on the end of the beveled ridge tile. Screw on both sides of the shingles. Prevent water from dripping into the building. 9. Installation of leak, loops, or exhausts. Flue, exhaust, and other places must have drainage treatment. Projections and the roof are a combination of all waterproofing materials, and the structure of the outer wall plastered solid.